The vein dey like blue tube. The vein is like a blue tube. Why is the vein like a blue tube? The vein dey like blue tube wey dey carry blood throughout our body, because the blood wey e dey carry no get much oxygen. So dis vein, im work na to carry dis blood wey get less oxygen to the heart, straight up to the heart. As e reach the heart so, the blood go transfer from the heart straight up to the lungs. From the lungs go remove the carbon dioxide. As you breathe in, e carry the oxygen wey you breathe in, e enter back inside the red blood cell and spread to your body. Dis vein dey very very essential because dis vein get 3 layers. The first layer na the tunica external, the second layer na the tunica media, which is the muscular layer. The third layer dey very essential because that third layer dey smooth, and that third layer get valve wey dey prevent blood once e don pass through that first part, wey go prevent blood from going back to the other part. Because dis vein dey very very elastic, because e dey elastic compared to that of the artery, how blood dey take dey travel from dis vein to the heart? One important thing na the valve. Dis vein has a valve. Once blood is being pushed to a segment, that valve go snap close. Once e snap close, e prevent the blood wey don already travel from one segment to the other segment from returning back to the other segment. An important thing also to note is the muscle. Once the muscle contracts, e help dis muscle of our body help to squeeze the vein. As e squeeze the vein, e go help push the blood further up to the heart, so that the blood can be pumped to the lungs for oxygenation.